Hello, this is an unboxing video of TDR's Phoenix interchangeable modular drone, which features 3D 360-degree flips and rolls, headless flight mode, auto hover, Wi-Fi FPV camera, Wi-Fi transmission, 2.4 GHz RC transmission, one press auto return. Let's see what's inside the box. There's the drone itself with a set of pre-installed propellers, user's manuals, the controller, which can also hold your mobile device, set of extra propellers with screwdriver, blade protectors, USB charger, a modular camera, which is 0.3 megapixels, Wi-Fi camera, 640 by 480 pixel resolution, a 3.7 volt, 650 milliamp hour battery, and the obstacle avoidance module,